Hello dear parents and children. Now another session of writing. Today we are going to write L pattern. Now till now we have written U pattern, M pattern and C pattern. Now the new pattern is L pattern. Now to write L pattern, you will go up slant, take a little curve and come down straight. Touch the blue line, go back, slant, curve, come down straight, curve, go up slant, curve, come down straight, slant, curve, come down straight, slant, curve, come down straight and make a slant tail. Now in this, children, did you notice that whenever I am making a curve and coming down, I am intersecting the previous line at this blue line. I am cutting the line at this blue line. So similarly here also it is being cut at the blue line. Here also, so everywhere it is being cut on the blue line. Now please watch it once again. Slant, little curve, come down straight, cut at the blue line, touch the lower blue line, curve and slant, go up again, curve and come down straight. Again go up slant, curve and come down straight. Go up slant, curve, come down straight. Slant, curve and come down straight. And a slant kick. Again here, if you see, everywhere the cut is on the blue line. So this L pattern you are going to write 3 times. 3 times in a line. Alright, now the possible mistakes. First of all, after going up, some children do not make a curve here and then they make a point and come down like this. Again they make a point here because they do not know how to curve. So it will need a lot of practice to make this curve. Okay, so this point here, these points are wrong. Secondly, what some children do, they make a point here. So this is also wrong. So this part, these points are wrong. Now the third mistake, when ma'am says you have to cut from the blue line, what children tend to do is they make a big curve and then they come to this point and then they come back like this because they have to cut from the blue line. So their pattern, they start writing like this just to cut from the blue line. And next mistake is some children, what they do is they make a big curve and then come down. So the pattern becomes so fat. Another mistake, they make a big curve from here and then the pattern becomes fat. Or they just make curved line up, curved line down, curved line up, down, all curves, and the pattern becomes like this. So please avoid all these mistakes. I will tell you a trick. You just have to keep 3 things in mind. One is go up slant, straight, okay? No curved line. You will not make a curved line here. This curved line you will not make. You will go up straight slant, little curve. Now little curve, you will not curve so much. Okay, this broad curve is not correct. You will make a little curve and then without thinking where you are cutting from, just make a standing line and automatically you will cut at the blue line. Once again, you will curve from here. Now go up straight slant, curve, little curve. If you make a little curve, you will automatically cut from the blue line. Standing line, slant line, curve, standing line, slant line, curve, standing line, slant line, curve, standing line, and a slant kick. Okay, but here you have to keep one thing in mind. If you go far, very far, and then take a small curve and come down, then you are going to cut here, which is again wrong. Please do not make long slant lines. The long beginning lines are always wrong. You will make a short beginning line going in the upward direction, not going far, going in the upward direction. Now please watch closely. Once again, going in the upward direction, little curve and come down straight. That's it. So this you have to repeat 5 times. Okay? So that's how we will write L pattern. So it will come slowly and gradually with practice. Now, when you people send me the work, what I have noticed is that your lines are going all slant. Like one, suppose I write one letter E. Okay. First line is of course written by parents. What children do? Now their lines are slant. They come down slant in this way. Now how to make straight lines is the first E, the first letter of any alphabet, the first letter of any line will touch the margin. Automatically first is always touching the margin. Now the second one you will begin from here where this slant line is beginning. And from there you will drag your pencil down in the air. Okay, you will not make a line like this. Drag your pencil down in the air. Come to this point and write E. Then again keep your pencil here. Drag it down. Here write E. Again drag it down. Write E. Again in the next line, first letter will begin from the margin. So touch the margin and write E. Again keep your pencil here on the starting line and then drag it down, drag your pencil down. Again, first we'll touch the margin, drag it down here, drag it down, so in this way, now can you see all the lines are straight? So please practice this way and show me beautiful work tomorrow. Okay? All right. Bye. Thank you.